What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am the GM Man. If you are new, good news, guys. We got the truck back from the shop. It was acting up yet again. Dropped it off this morning. So the guy, that fixed it, his name is Don. He owns Don's Auto in Seymour. Great guy. My dad has known him for years. Took the truck there and pardon my language or French, the dumbasses down in Scottsburg, Indiana, that put the motor back in decided to ground the main body ground that the batteries run to start the truck with two other grounds, so it wasn't getting the full juice, and the bolt that they used was stripped out and it wasn't getting the contact like it needed. So he fixed that, went through, fixed some other small problems with it. So I do have fender liners coming. We're going to replace those so there's not like moisture and water, or I guess I should say the splash shield. The splash shield will be going back in so it's not all dirty. And then we ordered something else for the back, and then hopefully we are going to be able to change out the front piece relatively soon. Sorry if that wind noise is bothering you, but relatively soon we should be able to change out that front piece, I hope. And then the 79, I need to get over there, but we are going down to the shop to start work on the semi because I want to get it done this week. I'm gonna hit it hard. I'm gonna have videos coming out probably, if not every night, every other night on it, because Jimmy's coming over. We're gonna get the top like wind shield or drift wing or whatever you want to call it off, and he's gonna start on the frame. So we're gonna head down there now. I'll shut you guys off and pick you up when I get down there. Okay, everyone, so I got the truck moved over here. As you know, it was parked over there in front of the barn. Don't mind all the junk here. I gotta haul it to the scrap yard because it is all metal. So what we're gonna be doing is basically fixing the fiberglass pieces. Yay, they crack in there. Then I'm gonna try and get that top piece off tonight. I'm probably going to set up a little step ladder here on the back, because when you climb up here, I am head level with the bar, and then there's the rack. So if I can have a little step ladder to put right here to reach up there to take those bolts and stuff off, that'd be awesome. So that's what we're gonna shoot for. Waiting on Jimmy to get here. So once he gets here, he's gonna start on the frame, sanding it and stuff down. So yeah, I'm gonna jump right into it. I don't know how much filming I'll be able to do because I really don't have any place to put my camera unless I set it here on the bucket, but we'll try it. And yeah, we're gonna go from there, so stay tuned. And we are back. I got these brackets broken loose, the ones on the back. This outside bolt I had to cut along with that one, but it is loose. So now I'm going to come up top. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but down this channel right in front of this bracket here where my finger is, excuse me, there's a bolt up there. I gotta climb up there, figure out how I'm gonna get to it. So I probably won't record any of this just because I don't have any place to set my camera to where you guys would be able to see it. But that's why I'm gonna update you guys along the way. So that's what I'm gonna do. I might try and bring my ladder around here and like extend it up as high as it will go. We'll see. So we'll see what happens. Okay. Little update. So the top is broke free. As you can see, we do have the tractor behind me. Freaking bee about got me. But we have the tractor behind me. So the whole idea of this is I have the pallet on it. I'm going to raise the tractor up next to it and lift that off and shimmy it over onto the tractor, and then I can lower it down instead of trying to have someone stand on the ladder. And yeah, so that's what we are going to attempt here. I wouldn't recommend this at home, but I am a professional, so it's all good. So that being said, we are going to jump right into it. I'm going to try and set the camera up or have my girlfriend or somebody record it. I'll probably wait for my sister to get back so she can operate the controls on the tractor, and I'll be up on top. So once she gets back, we'll jump right into it. Well, there we go, guys. You can tell it looks like a completely different truck now with that big old wind guard off of it. I think they should lower them stacks just a little bit, but I don't know if they will. What I'm gonna do now is basically kind of try and clean this up a little bit up here, because I got to refabricate this. So I might just notch it and then kind of square it off to kind of match this side over here. But I'll probably do that off camera, because like I said, I really don't have a good spot to set you guys up. I need to get a chest mount, and then once I get that done, I'm probably going to switch over to a grinding disc and try and knock off some of this loose stuff. I'll probably go to like a flappy disc that's got like sandpaper on it, trying to clean up a lot of the frame, so then we are ready to paint. But it's not too terribly bad. I'm just trying to get all those big chunks and stuff off of it. Like I said, we are going to be probably have a lot of videos this week, if not every night, every other night. Like I said in the beginning of the video, just because this is such a big project, there's a lot to do. Like, we are going to be painting the whole thing white, and then the fenders will be blue. So I'll probably, from this point here, kind of wrap it down and do blue. So should be pretty interesting. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to shut you off now, kind of square that away up there, and then move to the back. Okay guys, we are back. Like I said, I was going to use a flappy disc, but I don't have any, so I just got a grinding wheel. And I'm going to hit the frame real quick just to kind of show you guys what I was talking about. And that right there is basically what I'm going to do to the whole frame. It's a lot easier if I have a floppy disk, so I'm not shooting sparks and stuff at myself. And the floppy disk basically is sandpaper on a grinding disc, and it just takes it off a lot easier. But this is what we're going to go for, and then we'll come back and like any real like bad pitting spots, we'll probably throw some primer on it just to kind of build it up a little bit. Then we're going to come back and paint everything black, and it'll be a big difference. So remember guys, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM, and if you're new, smash that subscribe button. Go to my website, buy some merchandise, help the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.